How to test the credential of your API key in your n8n. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can basically test out the credentials if they are working or not in your n8n workflow or your n8n instance. So the first thing that we're going to do is simply launch our n8n instance. As you can see, I run a local n8n instance. And then we're going to go to the overview tab, and within overview, you need to click on credentials. Now choose that particular credential that you want to test. So for example, let's say I want to test the Quen Cloud account credential. I will simply click onto these three dots and then click on open button. Now, once you will do this, you will see the connection tested successfully or an error just in case. You can retry it to verify the same again. So that's how easily you can test this out. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day ahead. Please also don't make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel as well.